From other people. My babies I raised are all over there. I'll show you those. Don't be me.
Wow.
And then I raised these for babies. My paints right there. I mean my parchments. So you see the little parchments.
Oh, wow.
Like these girls over here.
Can you ship?
Yeah, I'm getting certified the end of this month. But if I was going to show any of these over here, it would probably be this one. Because she's just very pretty. She has enough red on her head. And then I have some other colors that I'm working on, but they're still babies.
No, dude, that's, I didn't even know they came in those colors.
I think I actually need your help.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. Yeah, and then this one right here, I suck at.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fall.
So I...
Some of my girls. Some of my bugs. My bugs are my favorite.
You get for them like on hens and stuff.
On hens,
I'm sorry, puppy.
if they're really good quality, I got 100
Wow.
for each of my hens. I just sold. I had some really good, nice hens.
Yeah, no, that's show. That's show quality stuff. Like they don't have.
They're all still growing out. They're all still babies. Like a lavender color,
Right.
with a little buff to them, so they're really pretty too.
Oh wow.
And he's looking good. But the only thing I don't like about him is how tall he is already.
Oh, okay.
I don't like how his neck is from his toe end. It needs to be all even, like a heart shape. But he still has a while to grow out.
Looks like he's riding a motorcycle.
When did you get started doing this? Like, is this like a long time you've been doing this?
No, so I've been having chickens for like 4 years, but I just got into the Silkies very hard, like the beginning of the year, like December of like last year. That's when I started looking for birds and talking to people. But I used to have Silkies, but I had like a hatchery quality Silkies.
That's what, yeah.
So they weren't like really nice, you know? And then I was like, why are my birds not like as nice as these other birds that I see on Google? And then I learned about breeders and how they pick for like quality and how they pick, you know, to get the bigger puffs and, you know, breeding for the right, you know, qualities for the Silkies. And I just started hatching out eggs. I started buying eggs and hatching out a bunch of eggs. Those are the quail. They're messy. They
that's the
but
same
then
kind I have.
I moved them over here. And I was gonna finish building this, but never got around to it because I was gonna put a roof on top of it. But they killed all the plants. I got a rooster and a few hens, but I'm gonna be getting rid of them soon.